Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share some ATCs that I created for a Facebook group. Um, they're swapping, and I haven't done a swap in so long that I thought, okay, let me let me go ahead and do it, and I felt like doing it today. So the theme was vintage. And as you can see, I did 6 ATCs, all in this vintage style. Oh my gosh, it is so cool looking. It's sparkly. It has a little bit of like an old tape, and it just dried. So let me go over it. This is 110 cardstock times 2. It's 2.5 by 3.5, and I doubled it up, glued in together. I laid down some book pages from my stash, and then I inked it up with vintage photo, walnut stain, and the very tips black soot. And then I laid these faux vintage tape that I created using just packaging tape and alcohol inks, and I created my own vintage tape. I don't know what to tell you. I used Lollapalooza's technique, and I did several strips of them, so I had a whole bunch. I added it to the card. I laid these ephemera pieces from Hobby Lobby that I had in my stash, and I inked her up with walnut stain. Then I added Raleigh Mihashap's, I think this is from one of her digitals. It's a word definition sheet that I got a long time ago. I want to say it was from her. I'm not sure. So in the back, I put in the number of cards that I created, the swap, my name, my email, and the date, which is today. I just had a lot of fun with this. And then I used, oh shoot, I don't have it here. Hold on. I put it away. I went to Walmart yesterday with my daughter, and I picked up this glitterific paint from Folk Art. It's actually rose gold. Oh, how perfect. I thought it was gold, but it's rose gold. See it? Oh my God. It couldn't have worked a perfect. I'm amazed. And so I glittered it up with that. I stamped my stamp from Dollar Tree. That's this stamp here and there. I also used my speckled stamp. I stamped it here and there, and there. And I got these cool looking vintage ATC cards. And then here's another one. And you can see the glitter. I wanted to add some bling to my cards without bulking it up, and I thought Glitterific just adds a little something to this ATC card. I just love it. Look at that tape. Isn't that cool? I just love how that looks. And each one, I have my ATC stamp that I've had for years. And there they are. Oh, I just love these. These came out so pretty and so cool all together. And it just turned out so well. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.